Hi everyone. Good morning. It's math time. We will be having Unit 23, Handling Data. The first lesson is using tallies. The objectives are tally results in a chart, make totals of tally marks, and interpret tally charts. Look at this. These are called tally marks. They simply means 3, 6, and 5. What are tally marks? Tally marks also are called hash marks. They are a form of numeral used for counting. They are most useful in counting ongoing results, such as the score in a game or sport. How do we use tally marks? I will show you an example. In this box, there will be shapes that will come out. Our task is to record how many circles are in there using the tally marks. Now, watch carefully. Look at the tally marks now. How many circles were there? You're right. We have 7 circles. Let us continue. We will be completing this chart. Remember, we have 7 circles. Next, we will be counting the squares using tally marks. Let us start. How many squares do we have? Yes, we have 14 squares. Next, we will be counting the triangles. How many triangles do we have? You're right. We have 12 triangles. Lastly, let us count the stars. How many stars do we have? Very good. We have 10 stars. Let us make totals of these tally marks. Take note of your answers and we will check later. These are the answers. Now, let us go further. Here's the record of animals in the zoo that are sick in a week. Our first task is to make total of each. Let us start. Check your answers. Having our tally chart completed, let us answer some questions. First, which has the largest number of sick animals? Very good. The tiger has the largest number of sick animals in that zoo. Second, which have the same number of sick animals? Good. The giraffe and elephant. How many fewer elephants than deer got sick? The number of elephants that got sick during that week is 4 less than the deer. Let us have more practice. Open your book on page 96, number 3. I will read it for you. This tally chart shows how many of each type of drink was sold from a stall in one day. Write the totals for each drink. Let us answer these questions. How many more teas were sold than bottled water? Which drink was bought 16 times? How many teas and coffees were sold altogether? How many fewer lemonades than orange juices were sold? How many drinks were sold altogether? Here are the answers. There were 2 more teas sold than bottled water. Orange juices were sold 16 times. There were 10 teas that were sold and 14 coffees. If we add them all together, the answer is 24. Lemonade sold were 12 less than orange juices. If we add all together the drinks that were sold, it will be 52 drinks. There are more practice on page 96 to 97 of your book, numbers 1, 2, and 4. Thank you. See you tomorrow.